Hi, I'm Chris,
And I'm Cassie.
and this is Essential Tools for Referencing, Part 2. This vidcast looks at how we reference academic resources both within a text and in a reference list.
So, how do we reference?
Well, in the first part of this vidcast, we saw that there are two parts to referencing: the in-text reference, also known as a citation, and the reference list at the end of your assignment.
The first part, in-text citations, tells the reader that you are using another person's ideas and data. These are on screen right now.
The second part, the end reference list, provides the full details of the references and resources cited in the main assignment and where they are located so that somebody else can access them.
Remember that if you have a citation present in the text, then you must include it in the end reference list, and vice versa. If a resource is present in the reference list, then it must be cited in the assignment text.
To do this, academics typically adopt a referencing style, which dictates how references are written. Different departments use different referencing styles. For instance, as shown here, the School of Business uses an adapted version of the Harvard referencing style.
By far, the most important aspect of referencing is to remember to be consistent. Whichever style you are using, or asked to use, you must do everything in the same way. So, what information do you need to build or create a reference?
Well, if you're using a book, you will need to record the author or author's name, when the book was published, the title of the book, the edition, for example, first or second, where the book was published, and the name of the publisher.
If it is a journal paper you need to record, the author's name or names, when the journal was published, the article title, the journal title, the page numbers of the article in the journal, and additional information, for example, the volume and issue numbers.
If it is an online resource, in addition to the previous information, you will also need to record the date you access the resource, the electronic address or URL, the type of electronic resource, for example, an email, discussion forum, or web page.
Other documents, such as legal documents or government reports, might require different information to be added. So it is always a good idea to have a referencing guide close to hand, and to check with this so that you can remain consistent.
It is very important to know from the beginning of your courses that different university departments use different forms and style of referencing. Always check with every lecturer that you have about the required style and format and be consistent. This vidcast only offers an overview because there is more than one form of referencing.
At the same time, reference management software can be used to help you format your references. The University of Southampton offers the reference management software EndNote on all university computers.
EndNote comes preloaded with hundreds of different referencing styles, including the style used by the School of Business. It allows you to collect and organize references and insert them into your written work. It also lets you change referencing styles instantly.
Remember that referencing is an essential part of academic writing, so learning to use software like EndNote can help you save time. It is especially useful when you have many resources, such as you would in a master's dissertation. You can find more information about other types of reference management software online.
Additional information about referencing can be found on the University of Southampton Library webpage and on Cite Them Right online.
The School of Business official referencing guide can also be downloaded on their website. Remember that if you have a question about which style to use, ask your tutor or module leader.